So you are struggling because you need to get your keyboard layout going and you don't know how it's done. So you are trying to troubleshoot some stuff. You need your keyboard layout fixed and it's just not working. Okay, so I got your back, boo. You know I got your back. So this is a random scenario or random situation where you are troubleshooting stuff. You are troubleshooting your machine, doesn't really matter, but your keyboard layout is out of whack. So your keys are not working, your special keys are just not there, and you need to quickly load your keyboard layout to the one that you actually need. So the way to do this is very simple. You just type a command called load keys, and you just need to type in the layout you wish. I'm going to put a wrong one for me, but so you guys can see it work. So this is not my usual column, but just to show you that actually is working. So let's put my keyboard layout back, and everything's back. Okay. So this is not permanent. It's not going to work on every reboot. So if you want to set your default keyboard layout, like and subscribe. I'm going to show how to do that on a separate video. Like, subscribe, and comment so get notified. It really helps. And I'm going to show you some different ways to make your permanent keyboard layout changes. But this is like a quick fix to get your keyboard layout ready to go, so you can just hit your special keys and special keyboard keys and special characters, so you can troubleshoot your system. So load keys is a command to help you out. This works on 99.9% of the situations, especially on pure text consoles on Linux. So load keys followed by your keyboard layout it's your guy. It's going to put your keyboard layout at what you need. So load keys followed by the keyboard layout, and you get the issue fixed. Like, subscribe, and comment out. It really helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Good luck.